So, what is citizen inquiry? Citizen inquiry is the combination of two different initiatives, citizen science and inquiry-based learning. Firstly, citizen comes from citizen science. This is an initiative to engage the general public, including young people, in scientific activities. A big idea in this initiative is that everyone can participate. You don't need to own a white coat or have a fancy degree. Anyone should be able to participate in science. Public participation in science is not a new idea, as there are many examples of people coming together and engaging in science to solve a problem in their local community. A well-known example of citizen science is probably the annual backyard bird count, where the observations of volunteer birdwatchers are collected as data for scientists to investigate wider issues in conservation or endangerment. For example, how birds in certain locations are affected by habitat loss or pollution. But there are common challenges across citizen science initiatives. The first is that people have a very limited form of participation. The research agenda is always set by scientists or professionals. So how can we help people become scientists and have more of a say in a project? Secondly, children and young people are often underrepresented in citizen science activities. How can we also cater for them? This is where inquiry-based learning comes in. Inquiry-based learning is an educational approach that focuses on young people driving their own learning. It can help bridge that gap in citizen science so that citizens, and specifically young people, can set their own research agenda and have more of an active role in the research process, rather than just collecting data for professional scientists to investigate. Inquiry-based learning is a learner-centered approach in which young people drive their own learning through the process of inquiring into their own wonderings in stages of structured investigation. While there are so many different types of inquiries, what most approaches have in common is that inquiry is facilitated in different phases to structure the learning process. This typically involves asking questions, making observations, collecting data, organizing information, drawing conclusions, sharing your findings, solving a problem, or creating change in your community. Inquiry is about doing things with your learning, applying new knowledge and skills to real-life contexts, understanding and solving problems that are important to the learner. So if you put these two initiatives together, you get citizen inquiry, where young people can initiate their own research questions and methods in order to take action on pressing challenges that are important to them and their own community. Citizen inquiry is about educating for active citizenship and presents a step forward in how we can imagine alternatives in the ways we engage and empower young people in issues they are passionate about.